Here we go, guys. Dirt biking, Guatemala. Beautiful. Did a jungle ride. It's the wet season here right now. Things are a little more tricky than normal. Lots of water, lots of slippery mud.
Nice.
I didn't know how deep that was going to go.
Beauty.
I thought we were going down deep.
Man, rolling through these trails, momentum was the key. Here's our buddy Sebastian just ripping it right up. He just rode Romaniac, so we knew we were in good hands. He brought us on quite the ride. This is stuff I could never find, not in a million years. Beautiful, these creek bottoms and through the coffee bean farms and through all the lush vegetation. Very, very cool. Thank you very much, Sebastian. I sure appreciate it, man.
Are you okay with pushing the bike a little bit?
Yeah, it's fine. I don't care. I've got you, too. You can ride it up the hill for me. Good old Revolution bikes. So Todd Miller came down to Guatemala. This is the ride we went on. We started, you saw the start. Went hammering down the freeway there, cutting through the traffic to get to the start of the ride. And then we cut back into the bushes and through the little tiny towns, and then boom, all of a sudden in the single track. There were parts where I didn't know if we were going to get up. This real kind of slippery mud, and the kind of area where you had to just, like I said, step on it. All right, well, here's the full ride. This is right after we got off the freeway. We cut back into the forest, and he brought us right into the single track. It was cool. It's just all these beautiful coffee bean farms. I know he must know the owners, and he knows where to go and where not to go. I rode this before when it was dry. Super cool ride. Completely different ride, being that it was wet. And here you're dropping down in the single track, going through these slippery bridges. And then we climbed right out of this after, I'd have to say, just a little bit of struggle. And man, we climbed up out of the ditch kind of area, and we got on a road that I guess used to be a road.
There we go.
This one right here. This thing was gnarly. Those rocks are no joke, and the erosion ruts were big. But all of a sudden, you pop back out, and all of a sudden you're in a little town again. It was super cool. It was neat. All of a sudden, there you go. You're on the road. And then the dogs are running out. Sebastian knew the ride. We also had Alfonso with us. Super good rider. He was solid. We ended up going about 67 miles. And 3 of us were on Beta 300s.
I've got you, too. You can ride it up the hill for me.
Yeah, we were on the Beta 300s, and Todd is here on my buddy Jose Rivas's son's bike. It's a KTM 250. Boy, this was slick right here. It's crazy. That's Todd. He got right through that. When I rode up that, I fell right over.
Is he standing? I think he's still standing up. Oh, no, he's not standing up.
No, he's not?
Well, the bike's not. Yeah.
Yeah, I went down there. Yeah, the mud was flying, man. Look at that back tire spin. That's me going by. But 3 of us were on Beta 300s. 2 23 300 races. And then Todd was on that KTM 250. And he worked that bike. I mean, this was no joke of a ride. You know, you look at this road and you think, oh, no problem. But it was slick. And it just, you know, if it was a little bit steep, all of a sudden, there you go. You're just throwing rocks. And the views were gorgeous. So awesome. All right, well, what I'm going to do at this point, because most people, if you get this far in the video, you're going to watch the whole thing. The other guys watch about the first 30 seconds of the video, but yeah, I'm going to put on some music. I'll let you sit back, enjoy the ride. You know, the last thing I'm going to say is, you know, Guatemala, they don't advertise, unlike Costa Rica, different places. Guatemala is a hidden gem that nobody will tell you about. Honestly, if you get a chance to go here, it is gorgeous. Just absolutely beautiful. The adventures you can have. The people are so nice. Maybe the people from here don't want me to say that, but it really is. It's just the first country south of Mexico. It's north of Costa Rica. It's just an incredible place. So really great riding. All right, guys, let's sit back, enjoy the ride. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, well, great to have you on for the ride.
Nice.
Take it easy.
I didn't know how deep that was going to go.
Beauty.
I thought we were going down deep.
Crazy, huh?
This is awesome. The ruts change my gears.
They do it sometimes.
Like fourth gear. I thought he was just waiting. It's like a bed.